Good evening, students. How are you? Are you all preparing for the monthly test portion? It is 7th and 8th lesson. Please prepare with these portions also. Okay. Now, what is the division Euclid's division lemma? Can you recall this division lemma? It is A equal to BQ plus R. There A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. Also, this remainder lies between 0 and the divisor. Okay. It is 0 less than or equal to, we can't say lies between from 0, but it will not be reach the B, it is less than B, smaller than the divisor. Okay, what about the division algorithm? It is the repeated process of the division lemma. Okay, this division algorithm can use for to find the HCF, that is the GCD of two or more numbers. Okay, this procedure is easy to find the GCD or HCF of big numbers. Especially for big numbers, it is easy to find. So you should learn. Anyway, if the question is to find the HCF using division algorithm, you must do this way. Should not find the prime factorization method or what you learn in the lower classes. Okay, you must do using the division algorithm. So please you learn the division lemma correctly. The repeated process only the division algorithm. Okay, I believe you all completed the homework. Now I am continuing the third question. 10,224 and 9,648. You need to find the HCF using division algorithm. Okay, so we can write the two numbers. Then you write the division lemma. Okay, in these two numbers, which is greater, you have to check. Can you recall the model? Yes, since it is a big number, I done. Okay, this which is greater, you can find out, and according to the greater number, you consider the big number as dividend and the small number as divisor. So, using the division lemma, you can write this 10,224 equal to 9,648 into what value you will get, that you have to divide and find. Okay, since this dividend is 10,000 and the divisor is 9,000, surely you cannot get more than 1. Okay, 9,000 twos are 18,000. So, minimum this 18,000, not that anyway, it is 9,600. So, more than 19,000 the value if you get, you can check for 2, but it is only 10,000. So, you will get only one time. Okay, write that and find out the remainder. Normal division procedure only, since it is a big number, just I am explaining how to find. Okay, so you will get 10,224 is equal to 9,648 into 1, it is the quotient plus remainder. Okay, since the remainder is not equal to 0, the divisor is 9,648, that divisor and remainder you compare in the next second procedure, second step. Okay, so the greater number you consider as dividend and the smaller number you consider as divisor and divide. When you divide, you will get the 16 is the quotient. So, you can write 9,648 is equal to 5,576 into 16. The remainder is 432. So, plus 432. Okay, this remainder also not equal to 0 and the divisor is 576. Okay, so the next step we can consider the divisor 576 and the remainder 432. Okay, so when you consider that two numbers, the big number is 576. So we can divide 576 using 432. Anyway, this is 400, this is 500. So surely only one time is possible. Okay, so you put 1 and write, find out the remainder, that is also not equal to 0. So we have to do the next step. In this, divisor is 432. So we can compare the divisor and the remainder. In the year, the divisor 432 is bigger. So you again use the division lemma. So and this you will get 432 divided by 14. So divide and find out. Okay, 100, it is, if you put 3, you will get more than 300. Okay, so you can check it, is it correct? By multiplication here, 144 into 3, like this way you can check if you have any doubt. Okay, so you check it, what value you get, you write. Then since the both values are same, the remainder is 0, so we can conclude the sum. Since the remainder 0, the corresponding divisor is the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, not just these two numbers, of the given numbers. Are you all clear? So we get the HCF, that is the GCD of 10,224 and 9,648 is 144. Are you clear? Next question, fourth one. Here they given 3 numbers. Okay, first, second and third questions are only 2 numbers, but in this sum they given 3 numbers. So you have to consider first 2 numbers first and continue the same procedure of Euclidean algorithm. Next, you can reach, when you reach the HCF of the first 2 numbers, you can consider the HCF and the third number. That is the procedure. So that 2 numbers you consider and continue the same. When you get the remainder 0, that divisor is the HCF of the given 3 numbers. It is the procedure. You listen now. First write the given numbers. Consider the first 2 numbers. Okay, 84 and 90. It is not compulsory first 2, any 2. But if changing, you don't know, better you avoid change the order. If you change the order in the last, when you choose the third number, you will, in some situation you can put the mistake. Okay, so you take in the same order, it's no problem. In that 2 numbers which is greater, so according that you write the division lemma, then conclude the remainder is not equal to 0 and divisor is 84. So we have the next step. In the next step we have the 2 numbers 84 and 6. Okay, so using this 6 we can divide the number 84. So you are getting the 14 is the quotient, but the remainder is 0. Okay, since the remainder 0, you reached the step. We can write the HCF, but we cannot conclude the sum. We found the HCF of the first 2 numbers only. Okay, so using this HCF, you consider the third number also. Okay, that's only we are writing the third step. It is not exactly third according to the previous step. In the first 2 steps, we completed the HCF of the first 2 numbers. So this is the third step. Okay, if any more steps are there in the first HCF, we continue the step number. That's no problem. We can consider the third number and the HCF of first 2 numbers. Okay, that means third number is 120 and HCF of the first 2 number is 6. So you compare these two and divide. So you are getting 20 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay, subtract and bring this number. So here you can write 120 equal to 6 into 20 plus 0. Since the remainder is 0, the corresponding divisor 6 is the HCF of the given 3 numbers 84, 90 and 120. Okay, so this the HCF is 6. We can conclude the answer. Okay, like this way, if we have more than 3 also, the same way, first 2, third, okay, with the HCF of the first 2. Then if you have the fourth number, with the third number you are getting one HCF, this HCF and the fourth number. Like this way we can continue the steps. Okay, any number of numbers you can write and find the HCF using the division algorithm, as well as the we can find the HCF of big numbers also. Okay, are you clear?